Let's make an Easter treat today. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and we want to show you how to make a fun, low-sugar chocolate bark that you can make with your kids. This is colorful. You could add some sugar-free sprinkles, maybe even some sugar-free peep marshmallows on top, and you can make it different colors, so it could be like a unicorn bark too. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using ChocZero's white chocolate baking chips. These melt beautifully in the microwave, which is what we're going to do. They're sugar-free, sugar alcohol-free, and yet they taste amazing. So I'm going to separate these out into 4 bowls because I'm going to be using 3 colors and I'm going to leave 1 white. I'm going to use 2 bags for this recipe because I'm going to make a lot of bark. You want to microwave these at 30-second intervals, stirring in between until they're melted. It took me around a minute and a half to microwave these. And now you're gonna add your colors. So just add some food coloring here. You can choose whatever flavor you want, just a couple drops to get that concentration that you're looking for. Now, before we spread this out into our parchment lined tray to cool, I want to show you guys a quick, easy hack on how to make some sugar-free peep marshmallows. Now, we do have a recipe on the ChocZero website for some homemade marshmallow peeps, so you could check that out if you want to. But if you just want to do something fast and easy, then just get some sugar-free marshmallows. They are available at different retailers now. I know Amazon has them, so pick up some of those. And then just, since they're kind of thick, you just kind of have to cut them in half or cut them into thirds, and then with some scissors cut out a little bunny shape. And then I like to dust mine with some colored either glitter or edible glitter, or you could use like a sweetener that is coated in some food coloring too to get that pink or yellow coloring. Now, to make our bark, we're gonna take a parchment lined baking tray and then just working in batches. I'm just gonna take a color at a time and then alternate the colors to get a mosaic pattern. You just wanna do like a dollop at a time down in any sort of pattern you want. And then once you've run out of your chocolate, then you're gonna take a spatula and just run the spatula through the chocolate to make the pretty swirls. Next, we're gonna lay down our sugar-free peeps and then sprinkle with some sugar-free sprinkles. You wanna put this in the refrigerator for about a half hour or until it's hardened. Once it's done, you just break these up into chunks and serve. This makes a fun activity to make with your kids or just to give to your kids for Easter. Tag us ChocZero with all of your photos of your sugar-free white chocolate bark.